up? I'm back at y'all with another video. I'm gonna go ahead and bless this food so I can get started. Amen. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I do another video. Okay, and if you always come by, thank you for always showing Sugar Mama some love. Okay, y'all. Today, I have a cheeseburger with lettuce, tomato, and mayonnaise, and mustard, and ketchup, and fried onions on there. Then I got these. This is Obey fries. Obey fries. You know, I got to have my ranch so I can dip the fries in my ranch. And put it right here. I got a little plate right here. So, what y'all eating today for dinner? Because this is my dinner. See that? Take a bite. Y'all go ahead and take the first bite. Look at that. Basic Chick cooked this. Basic Chick cooked this. Yes, she did. I thank her. See what it's all about. Okay. She seasoned it good. I hope y'all can hear me good, because I don't have my mic hooked up. I don't have it hooked up. My mic. And I like my fries to have the crunch. I like it done. I don't like them real soft. Right. I don't think I'm gonna do too much talking, y'all. I know we don't date to eat all the time. I worked today. You know, I had a good day. I'm not eat too fast. Y'all also know I get full fast too. I had a lot of fries though. I like my burgers well done. Well done. I don't like to see no red. None. Comment below and tell me what kind of burger y'all like to eat. Y'all like it raw? No, I'm just playing. Medium well. Y'all like to see the blood? Because I don't. Y'all better go get y'all a burger and some fries. I didn't think I was going to be able to even think about eating a burger after that quadruple challenge, and I had to do it twice. And I didn't think I ever was going to come back to another cheeseburger. Close the door by now. Close the door by. That was good. That was good, y'all. Mm. Mm. I have to have on my burgers. I have to have the mayonnaise, ketchup, and mustard on there. Mm. Mm. But y'all know, yup, yup. I rinsed it. Woo! Hit me every time. Every time. Why I gotta do that? Mm. Mm. You know what bite? Mm. I don't know about that side. But it's good, y'all. Believe me, trust my word on that. I'm getting full. Don't you come at me. Don't y'all come at me. And guess what? Oh. That's what y'all, my Suga Wugas. I am almost at 200. 200 subscribers, y'all. Slowly rising. Slowly rising. Come on, y'all. Help me get that number up there. Help me. Share it. Tell all your friends about me. Sugar mama. I gotta start telling some stories or something, huh? Tell y'all a couple stories about me. Now you got a lot. You know what, man? I got a lot of stories, so I experienced a lot in my life. I don't know, y'all. I'm tired a little bit too. Can't y'all tell? You start acting all simple. Woo! Cheers! That don't make no sense to be that good. Dang, it don't make no sense to be that good. Excuse me. It really don't. It don't. I ate that pretty fast, didn't I, y'all? Go. A little piece of meat. Let me put it up. That little go right there. Look at that. All on fries. This hit the spot. Just an onion. Hey y'all. I don't know what I'm gonna eat next. Not right now though. When y'all eat fast, because I didn't even mean to eat that fast. I really didn't. I did not. I was hungry. But when y'all eat fast, do y'all get full fast? Huh? Do y'all? Mason upstairs is doing the most. Yeah, buddy. Woo. I don't know why I always do that to myself. Eat so much. And all for. These are good though. These are I think I said it in the beginning, but yeah, they obey. They're already seasoned obey fries. So that's probably why they look all like that. You want to try? Try? Alright. So I'm going to try, you know, to do this notification shout out thing. I know that y'all do it, but I'm going to try it out, you know. Look at some of the comments and see who's commenting on my post, see who's subscribing to me, all that. And be one of the first ones. I'll shout you out. I'll always shout you out, you know. I just have to remember to write it down because I don't, my memory. To make sure I don't forget. That was so simple. That was good. It's one thing about Pepsi and that fizz. It gets you that burp you need. Excuse me, my Suga Wugas. But so, my Suga Wugas, I'm about to let you go if you already didn't let me go. And look, don't forget to subscribe. Thumbs up this video. Comment, share. Help me get to that 200. Only need about 9 more. And then after that, help me get to the 300. And then after that, help me to... No. I'm doing more. Okay. Help me, Suga Wugas. Look, I'm going to leave y'all with a big old sugar mama hug. I see y'all on my next video.